How do you check your DV 2025 diversity result? And let's say you forgot your confirmation number and you don't know how to go about it because it is necessary. Without that confirmation number, you cannot check on those results. Yeah, it is possible if you got your email address still functioning, the email address that you use when applying for the GV 2025 diversity lottery. You will use the link that I included in the description to check for your GV lottery entrance status, and you will still use that same link to retrieve your confirmation number. I will click on continue, and this is the place. So if you got your confirmation, like I said, you don't need to follow this tutorial. Use the tutorial, the link is in the description. If you don't have your confirmation number, you will simply click on forgot confirmation number. If it's for 2024, then you click on 2024. Remember that of 2024 has passed. The one to which you apply between October and November 2023 is called GV Loyalty 2025. Name or family name here, and then I will put my first name. I will go fast to save this. So I will put my first name. I will click here, no middle name if I don't have a middle name. Your date of birth, the month is 0. My month is 07. Put the day 16 and the year, and you provide your email address. That is why it is always necessary, if you are going in for any application, use a valid email address. Don't use someone else's email address because you might face difficulties to retrieve a useful information. Creating an email address is completely free, so I don't see why you should be using someone else's email address. I will type in my email address right here. The email address, like I said, should be the email address that you used when applying for the GV lottery. And this authentication code, I will put it exactly as it is. I have here capital A, capital S, capital P, capital X, capital A again, and capital D. So if you can't see these letters clearly, you just click on this icon, change the captcha code. So it's going to switch this code to a more visible code that you can easily see or you can easily read. Make sure you check to see if there wasn't any mistake, either with your name or with your email address, or you confirming that you don't have a middle name. Having maybe three names doesn't mean the second one is your middle name. It all depends on what is on your ID or your passport or your birth certificate. So I will click on this icon, submit, to see what happens next. So they said the code I put, maybe I didn't put it well. That is why they are giving me another code. So I will still do the same process and I will go to submit. Based on the information provided, the entry has not been selected for further processing for the electronic diversity visa program at this time. I wasn't selected. Oh my God. Not again. Not again. How many years? If you were not selected, like me, you just have to keep trying. You don't have to surrender because people are chosen at random. If you are selected, congratulations. You just need to follow the steps in your email notification, what to do next to prepare the necessary document, applying online for what we called the DS260 form online, and that will now proceed your application to another level. That is it for today. If you enjoyed watching this video, let me know in the comment section what you think. And why not give us the thumbs up? Why not subscribe if you are not already a subscriber, or share it to anybody who might be interested in this video. Until then, I will see you next time. Please stay safe.